working on filling empty areas when cropping. Now, hopefully it'll work for you. I was having a little bit of difficulty on my end. And we want to crop this image, and we want to make sure content anywhere is selected. And when I select it, and it automatically did that. But the problem is I'm going to go back to where before I flatten my image. And I'm going to go further back in the history, because the content aware tool should be making adjustments and filling in pixels. So I'm going to go back to my original image before that. I have levels, and then I have my original, and then I'm going to go flatten it. So flatten image, and then I'm going to choose a crop tool. We want to straighten that horizon line again, and here you can see that area in black. So if I go out, the pixels will be black, it won't fill it in. But if I choose content aware, it should fill that area for me mathematically. And if I click on accept, and it didn't do it, but it should. Well, actually, excuse me, it did. I turned away, and then there it is. It fixed it. So let me do Command Z again. I use the crop tool. I'm going to straighten my horizon line, and then we're going to go past. So the area on the upper left and the upper right, I'm going to pull this out so we can really see a difference. Make sure content anywhere is selected. I click to accept it, and it's thinking, and it automatically filled the pixels in on the top left corner and the bottom right corner as well. But it only works if you do content anywhere is selected. So be aware of that. And now we have our image, and make sure to go ahead and save it. So Command S or go File, Save.